Welcome to my unboxing of my DropDead package. I already actually owned one piece from them. This is the sleeveless printed tee from the first Beings of Light collection. My package came in like 2 days ago, but I wanted to do an unboxing video. Also a review of the brand now that I have 2 pieces from them and just my general thoughts and opinions. If anyone doesn't know about the brand, DropDead Official, they have a website. I think they have a physical store now in London. Not sure if it's a pop-up or not. It could be like an official physical retailer, which is really cool. I haven't done like professional research, but from what I know, the brand is owned by Oliver Sykes of Bring Me the Horizon. Yeah, I'm just going to assume he's very hands-on. I mean, like, you can really tell that he has a lot of influence on the brand with the collections that they come out with and the items that they produce. I mean, you can see him wear the brand quite often, especially on the Bring Me the Horizon channel when they're doing the behind the scenes sort of stuff. So that's really cool. I'm pretty sure this is just like a blank tee and then they printed on it, and they also just cut off the sleeves because I'll show you later, but the details on the side, like you can see like the cuts that they make and how it's not like they haven't like closed the seams on the shoulder, and like you can even tell in the back they have the screen printed tag, but there's also, like, if you look very closely, you can see that they removed a tag, so I'm pretty sure they screen printed on blanks for the shirts. But if you look at their other more quality items, such as I think tracksuits, jackets, pants, sweaters now, I think those are all cut and sew, like, so I think that's really cool. Sadly though, I haven't got, well, and this package is something, it's not just a tee, so I'll be unboxing and reviewing that. I think this is they're onto their 4th collection now, which is just the Halloween's capsule collection for the Beings of Light. The first pieces I've ever got, obviously, as you can tell, is from the Beings of Light collection. I did want to cop a piece from the Cradles of Filth collaboration that they did, but I think it's like one of those things where I actually don't listen to Cradle of Filth, so it's kind of weird if I own the merchandise, but yeah. Alright, the unboxing. Yeah, the packaging is really cool. It's all custom sort of made, and I think it's made from recycled material. They printed like a bunch of cool graphic sort of elements onto it. There's their logo. I forgot what it's called. I think it's like the dogma symbol or something like that, and just the DropDead typography sort of logo. Another poster. I have yeah, every time you order from the Beings of Light collection, it comes with a poster and a comes with both a poster and a trading card. So I have another poster and trading card somewhere, but I don't know where I put it. Here's my trading card. The other time I got it, I don't think it was wrapped, and it got a bit of a crease on it, but thankfully this time, no creases, so that's a bonus. I really want oh, come on, man. So here's the trading card. Khufu, I think it was. Yeah, Khufu. Medusa. This is from the Halloween collection, even though I ordered from the Beings of Light collection. So yeah, there's the Halloween drop that just happened, and there were a bunch of tees, they add necklaces. The only things I got from this capsule were the pins, which I'll show you right now, actually. So my favorite character out of the Beings of Light is is 15. So I got a little enamel pin for him. I think his backstory and his character looks really cool, so that's why he's my favorite. Then I also really like Mother, so I got the Mother pin as well. I think same thing with 15. I think her character design and her story is really interesting, and she has like the whole question mark sort of thing, so it's like mysterious and cool. But I also just got the DropDead logo pin as well. I like collecting pins, so that's why I got those. And then finally, the shirt. This is from the Beings of Light collection, not the Halloween drop. So yeah, it's just a Cuban collar shirt and like a front text graphic on yeah, just a front text graphic that goes across the middle of it. It's a bit out of focus, but you can read it. Yeah, basically the graphic says, "I'm not a slave to a god that doesn't exist. I'm not a slave to a world that doesn't give a shit." I'm not sure if you can tell from the video, but from touching it and from looking at it in person, actually I can't really tell. Yeah, what's really interesting about this print, if you can tell from the video, it's that It's got the textural qualities of something hand painted or just painted, which is really cool because if you screen print something, everything is sort of like flat. Like you can get like sort of textural elements by like having like overlays on your graphic and then printing with that overlay. So you get like holes here and there, but like I don't think you can recreate the application of like something hand painted. I mean, there's even like a bit of a slippage here in the paint. I'll see if you can see it on camera. I mean, there's like this bumpy sort of texture that you can't really get it from screen printing, so I'm not sure how they did it other than painting it by hand or something, or just like having like a screen print but then like using like a brush or something to apply the print. Like it's super interesting. I don't know how they did it, but in terms of and then we have the tag DropDead medium. I just got a size medium. I usually run like a large just so that I can get the oversized fit, but I sort of wanted something a bit more punk, a bit more fitted, cropped. I think that's sort of my style right now. So I got it in medium. But yeah, in terms of the material itself, it's like this sort of rayon-y cotton, very flowy, lightweight. I'm definitely gonna wear this because it's spring summer in Australia, so it's gonna be hot. It's gonna be nice wearing this, very light, flowy. On the back there's no graphic. I mean, if you can see, this is what I'm talking about. Like this tee has it has that textural quality of like it's like a cracked print, but like the layer, the actual layer of the print is like one flat layer, whereas the shirt is like you know when you like paint something and then you lift up the brush, like the paint lifts a bit instead of like a screen print. That might have made no sense whatsoever, but like it's more of a technical thing, and someone that creates clothes myself, I think it's very interesting to see what other people do, and I think that's super cool. Just the pins and the shirt, that's all I got. I mean, I think it's 100% paint and has to be like an acrylic paint or something, because I've done the same sort of application of using acrylic paints on garments, and it's like pretty much the same. Probably should have read this, but yeah, DropDead, 100% viscose. So yeah, viscose material. Viscose is something super lightweight, very breathable, very flowy. So I think it's like it's perfect for these sort of like open collar shirts. I mean, like viscose, rayon, linen, those sort of materials are mainly associated with these collarless shirts. Is it in focus? I don't know. No. If it's not in focus, oh well. But hopefully you can see how it fits on me. This is it open. This is a medium. Actually runs like quite low. I expected it to like, so like my hip is here, and I was expecting it to like drop it just below the hip. So I wanted something like a little cropped, a little bit retro, sort of like Hawaiian shirt sort of vibe. But this isn't so bad. I mean, I own quite a lot of open collared shirts, but none with like a edgy sort of graphic. Especially in black. I don't own any black. Actually I do, I own one, but it's got like a very colorful yellow print on it. I need to iron it, obviously, but like here's it buttoned up. Obviously I'm wearing the collarless, I'm wearing the sleeveless DropDead shirt underneath, which I'd probably do anyways. Just so I would probably wear this unbuttoned and sort of just like flowy. But I could probably see myself wearing this just on its own, buttoned up, and like skinny jeans maybe. I think that'd be a pretty good fit. So yeah, those are the items I got. Obviously free card. Oops, shit. 3 pins, the shirt. Also, this is from the previous order, but like, yeah, I think overall, I think the brand is, you know, it's developing. It's still relatively new, but I think their concepts and attention to detail and world building is like 100% there, and I can see them. I mean, they tease this cropped, I think it's cropped sweatshirt, either sweatshirt or knit with a really nice skeleton graphic. Actually, I think it's out now. I was actually contemplating getting that, but I feel like I need to like chill on the shopping, or chill on the clothing at least. I think I have a bit too much clothing, honestly. And I kind of want to just like get pieces that I know I will wear for basically the rest of my life. Well, at least that's the goal. But yeah, I think it's a really nice brand. It's got a whole concept with it, and you're not just buying the clothes, you're sort of joining a part of this story. If you haven't heard of the brand, I recommend to check it out. They've got a lot of different items and a wide range of price point as well. Like you're getting what you pay for. with this brand, which is something I really respect and like. Thanks for watching, and go check out the brand. Yeah.